Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Darliin and my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle and fashion. Yes! So I know you're going to say that I have not been here for 9 months. I totally understand, but I'm going to try. You know what? I tried and I was doing so many videos in one go in a week. I was posting about 3 videos. Can't do that anymore. If I was wise, what I would have done was, because I was recording so much, I would have saved them and like post them every week, and that would have been better. And yeah, I stopped recording because there was just a lot going on, and I just thought maybe felt discouraged as well. But now, do you know what? I don't care. I'm going to do it. I'm not going to depend on anyone, and I'm just going to do it because it's something that I actually enjoy doing, and it's actually a talent that I have. So why not? Why not? So today I'm actually going to do an unboxing, as you can see in the title, and it's one of these. It's actually a toiletry pouch, and I've been trying to get hold of it since before I got married, so around about 2018. And I was like, you know what, after I get married, I'm gonna try and get my hands on it. Might come back in stock, and nothing. And I kept checking online, and you know, I like doing online shopping, so I'm there like, is it gonna come in stock? And nothing comes in stock. And I keep checking, I keep refreshing. I even save on my wish list. Even on the American page, you know, like you can get it to email you when it comes in stock. So it just was not working. It wasn't working. So this year, and I was going to buy it, and I decided actually that I was going to buy it pre-loved. But these people are selling it for like £500, some like 700, and I'm like, there's no need because it's so cheap. What's the point of buying it for that price? So this Christmas, I actually saw the new Christmas box, like the new packaging, and I was like, hold on a minute, this is not old. That means it's actually come back in stock somehow. So I called again, as I've been calling. When I called, they said to me, oh, it's out of stock, you can't go on the waiting list. Bearing in mind, before you could go on waiting list, however, now you can't go on waiting list. You're gonna have to keep calling back. I was like, all right. Somehow I find myself in Regent Street, Oxford Circus, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try Selfridges to see, because it just doesn't add up that I've seen the new Christmas packaging, you know, the colourful packaging. I'll put it in there, I'll insert it somewhere here, and then I went. They were like, oh, you just missed it. 5 came in today and it's gone out of stock. So I was like, oh, so it comes every time? They said, yeah. So I said, okay, where can I get hold of it? They said, and then I decided that I wanted the other cosmetic one, you know, the arch one. I'll put another image here. But you know, when you feel like you want to get something, but you don't want to get something else just for the sake of it. You rather get what you actually want. And I was with my friend, and she encouraged, she was like, what's the point of getting this one when you don't really like it? It's the other one that you really want, so wait. So anyway, when I was at Selfridges, I just asked them, where can I get hold of the smaller, the arch ones? They said, go to Bond Street. I was like, all right, then I'm gonna go to Bond Street. Went to Bond Street, and then, yeah, I went to Bond Street, and then, yeah, I went to Bond Street, and when I went, they said that it had run out, that some had come in the morning. However, it was just a few, but it's gone out of stock. So the lady said to me, one of the, what do you call her? What was her name? I forgot. She actually gave me a business card. She was something advisor. She said, give me a text, and when it comes in stock, I will text you and let you know. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't know if she was supposed to do that or she wasn't supposed to do that. It seemed that it was actually normal. However, tell you about it. I gave her a text, no response. Gave her a call, no pickup. Thought, this isn't nice. Then I thought, oh, maybe because she deals with like high-end, like high spenders, so maybe she doesn't want to respond to my call or text messages, so I just left it. So a friend of mine that actually works in the Bond Street friend of mine that actually works there decided and said that they will let me know when it comes. I said, all right then. And it so happened that on the day that it came in stock, he wasn't there, but he told me what time to go. So I woke up early in the morning, and I made sure it felt like going to work. I made sure I actually got there because it opens at 10 o'clock. I actually got there on New Year's, next day after New Year's, so the 2nd of January. I actually got there at 10:15, and the lady said to me, oh, it's not on the system, but you know what, hold on, take a seat and I'll get you one because I know that we have some available. I was like, really? I was so excited. Oh my god. Anyways, she got someone else to go and check. The person was just all this story that wasn't really interesting because I'm not sure what he was doing. Anyway, he got a manager to call, and then lo and behold, I actually got it. And I'm actually really excited because since 2018, why am I getting it in 2020, please? That has been how long I've been trying to get it, and I don't believe that anyone needs to pay £500 for it. Don't be buying pre-loved, because if you actually go into the store and you get that early in the morning, if you try and get that early in the morning, by 10:15 at least, you should get your hands on it. There's no way that you would. You're just not allowed to buy 2 in a go, apparently, they said, because they know that people are selling it, and that's the reason why they've taken it off the system. So when you go there, anyone can just tell you that it's not in stock. You would have had to meet someone who's really good, that will be honest and sincere and actually tell you that it's actually in stock. Otherwise, they would just tell you some next story. Anyway, so I'm going to do the unboxing. So yeah, so it comes in, it obviously comes in this bag here, and then it comes in this box. Now I think because the way he was giving it to me, it's almost like he didn't want anyone to see that he was giving it to me. So I think he may have forgotten to wrap it with the blue ribbon, so I was a bit disappointed I didn't get the blue ribbon. So I was like, well, doesn't matter, next purchase I'll get the blue ribbon, doesn't matter. And I like this new packaging actually better than the boxes that I used to pull out, because you can open it, because the boxes tend to damage when you open it. So I sort of I like this one, I prefer this one. And when you open it, this is how it comes. It's in here. And then you've got this. Put this on the side. It's in a duster bag. And it's got the... what do you call one of these? Well, this is the name of it that they use to search it online when you get into the store. I think this is to scan it, maybe. I think so. I don't know. But yeah, this is the bag. Do you know what? I'll tell you something. Let me open it. This is it. This is it. When you open it, you just have this paper in there saying coated fabric, co-hide leather, trim, man-made lining. That's in there. And just as you see online, it's like this, with the extra tongue or extra zip, gold zip, which makes it very classy and pretty. Now I got the Gucci one, but I prefer this one because there's only so much you can wear with the Gucci one. But I know that with this one you can wear it with everything. You can wear it all white, all black, anything. It will just look nice. And that's the reason why I wanted my hands on these for so long. So I'm actually really happy. Now, the only thing that I'm quite disappointed about is the fact that It's a little bit soft here. It's a little bit soft. I mean, it's not soft. Compared to the Gucci one, you've got a whole board at the bottom that keeps the structure. However, with this one, it's not like that. So I was just thinking, have they changed it? Could it be the same? I'm not sure, because when I see everyone else's, it looks kind of structured. But I think it's this part that makes it look that way. It's this bit. But yeah, I'm quite disappointed. But that doesn't mean I don't like it. I'm still keeping it. And I think the zip is very, looks very fragile. It looks like it can easily break. The zip looks like it can easily break. So yeah. So did it come off? Is it still recording? Yeah. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the LV pouch, and I've shown you how you can get it. The toiletry pouch, and I've actually shown you how you can get it. This costs $280, and in dollars, let me try and do the maths. I tried to do the conversion. That's a big fat lie, because I know that it's 400 and something for the 26-inch pouch. So yeah, anyway, this is the end of the video. What I'll do is I want to do a comparison video in my next video that will tell you all about the sizing, the depth, the height, the interior, and do like a comparison with the Gucci one. And then there I can actually put stuff in and show you what I mean by the structure at the bottom here. I might have to buy it in a bag. Is it called a bag or a liner? A bag liner, just so that I can have it structured and also like be able to wear it with a strap as well, because I want to wear it with a strap, not just hold it. I want to wear it in different ways. So yeah, I've planned it. Anyway, I forgot to say that this has got your basic. This was made in France, so it's got Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France on there. And yeah, that's it. I like it. Anyway, thank you for watching till this end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment on the video, share it. I mean, share it to your auntie, your uncle, your mom. Just share it out everywhere, and at least they will know how they can get their hands on one of these. Anyway, this is the end of my video, and see you in my next video. Take care. Have a fantastic new year. Bye bye. Well, rest of the January. Anyways, bye bye.